Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you don't want to invest your money buying Office 365 subscription, so this video is for you. Previously also we have uploaded one video in our channel, so there were good response on that video and a few doubt was also there. So in this video I will clear those doubt also. So watch the video till the end. So now how you can install Office 365 on your machine, so that I'll show you. So this is actually it is a paid version, but how you can use it free. So let me show you. So first you have to go to office.com. Go to office.com. It will ask you to sign in. So sign in with your Office 365 ID. You can use your Gmail ID also to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up and then log in. So once logged in, so it is very simple, so I'm not showing those things now. So once you are signed in, if you can see, I'm already logged in here. So left hand side you will see chat and this option below. Here we our important options are here. Those Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, these are the thing we need. So if you click on Word or Excel, so you can create a blank document from here. So you can edit it. So you can edit it, and it is very difficult. Again and again you have to open the browser, and then you have to come to the office.com, and then you have to create a document. So it is very difficult. So what we will do, we will install the application on our laptop, so that it will be very easy. You can directly access it from your desktop or your laptop. What you have to do, similarly you can use this Excel. Okay, uh, just click on create. It will open. So let me show you how you can install it on your laptop or desktop, because in previous videos there were many comments that it is very difficult. Again and again we have to open it in the browser. So can we install that on laptop or desktop, and then we can directly access? So yes, it is very much possible. So what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot right hand side, and then you have to scroll down, then cast, save and share. So over here you will see install page as app. So just click here, and then if you want you can change the name from here. Okay, so this is the URL it is showing here. If you want you can change. Let me change it to, I just need Excel. Similarly you can do with the Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, so click on install. Immediately this will open, so you can close it. And if I minimize and show you, you can see this Excel file is created here. And if I need to use the Excel, no need to go to the browser again and again. I can directly double click on this file, and it will directly open with my login, and then I can create a file from here. So this will work. Okay, and if I want to save, I can extract it from here. So it will extract in this four format. You can extract in PDF. One disadvantage of this web version is you cannot save the file in the exact file format. You have to save it in the PDF, or in this format only. There are few other options: share and copy this option, or print. These also you can use for your official work. Okay, so let me close, and let me create one more for you. If I open PowerPoint, if I come here, then here, then install, close. Now you can see all these icons are created and I can directly access it from here only. So if you have any doubt, comment. We will reply to all the comments. In previous videos, we have cleared few things and a few things were pending. So we have covered in this video. If you have any other doubt, comment. We will reply to all the comments and we will create one more video if you have more doubts. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.